I'm a lady! That's a cat. It must be time for Ask a Cat Lady. This week's question is from Kelly, and Kelly wants to know, what is up with kitty colds? Should I take my cat to the vet, or should I wait it out? If something's dripping from your kitty's nose, and it frequently flows and flows, you could probably safely suppose it could be contagious, someone was exposed. Or it could be a case of allergies, making her cough and puff and sneeze. You could wait it out and watch if she's not lethargic and eating healthy. All stuffed up, I can't enjoy my wet meats without thumbs. I can't blow my nose into a hanky, and oh, how I wish I could sip chicken soup, but I don't have lips. A rarer issue, it could be a dental problem in a nasal cavity, or an infection a vet can treat in the lungs, or respiratory tract. All stuffed up, I can't enjoy my wet meats without thumbs. I can't blow my nose into a hanky, and oh, how I wish I could sip, yeah, chicken soup, but I don't have lips, and oh, congested kitty is a problem, but oh, Benedryl is not an option. My hair is faded. It needs to be redyed.